back to my channel. My name is Corey, and in today's video, I am going to be creating the Pinterest fridge of my dreams. I recently just did my entire kitchen and my pantry, and now it's time to tackle the fridge. So hopefully this video gives you some great ideas to help you organize your fridge and give you the Pinterest fridge of your dreams. If you did find this video helpful, it would mean the world to me if you gave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. So as you can see, my fridge is a total disaster. We have food just strewn everywhere. I have no idea what we even have. Food goes bad all the time. It is just totally dysfunctional and something needs to be done. So as with any good organization project, the first step is to always remove all the items and sort through what stays and what goes. Luckily, the fridge is a much easier area to declutter since all of the items have an expiration date. Since my fridge is really dirty, I am going to do a deep clean while I have everything removed and on the counter. We need to do this quick because I don't want the food to spoil. For cleaning the fridge, I'm just going to use my Dawn dish soap and water mixture that I use to clean everything. It's just going to break up all of the grime really, really well. And then I'm going to go through with Lysol just to disinfect everything. Now that my fridge is all cleaned out, I am going to start bringing all of my containers to figure out a functional layout and where I want to put all of my food items. For a tidy look that is also functional, you want to designate zones in your fridge and group like items together. Keep in mind that the lower shelves are cold spots in the fridge, so it's best to store meat and foods that are more prone to spoilage here. Clear bins are great for storing produce. They keep everything visible so it's less likely to go bad, and it makes your fridge look clean and streamlined. And if you opt for bins with air holes, fruits and vegetables will actually stay fresh longer. I found some of these bins at Costco, and I love them for storing fruits and vegetables. They are stackable, which is great for utilizing vertical space. And because they have drainage holes, you can wash your produce right in the bin, which I love. If you eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, do your prep work before putting produce in the fridge for easy access later. I find that when I wash and cut my fruits and vegetables, I am much more likely to grab them for a quick snack, and it's much easier just to feed my son a few strawberries that have already been cut and washed. You can also throw together a salad ahead of time, so all you have to do is add dressing. We eat salads almost every day, so I'm going to use this larger bin to prepare a salad for the week. And again, this bin has air holes, so my lettuce and my salad mixings will stay much fresher, longer, and the food won't go bad as quickly. Now, an egg holder may sound unnecessary, and honestly, I thought that it was too, but I'm a fan now. The sleek bin not only makes your fridge look cleaner, it also helps you to keep track of your eggs when you're running low. I opted for this larger bin because we often get eggs at Costco, and any eggs that I have extra that don't fit in here, I will just hard boil them so we have a good healthy snack. Now that I have a general layout of how I want to organize my fridge, I am going to label my containers. I found these really great labels on Amazon. I will post the link down below in the show notes for you guys. Labeling is a great way to cement your organization system, but just keep your labels very general. For example, don't label strawberries, label fruit, because then you're going to feel like you always need to have strawberries in that container. I found these containers at Aldi for a really great price, and they are perfect for grouping packaged food together, like my son's yogurt and cheese sticks and these protein shakes that we drink. It keeps the items nice and neat, and you don't have to go digging through your fridge to find them. I know that it might seem strange to have a Lazy Susan in your fridge, but it's actually a really effective use of space. You can use it for extra condiments that don't fit in your door. I'm going to add things like cottage cheese and all the toppings, so it's really easy to make a quick, healthy snack. I'm also going to be putting our chia seeds and ground flaxseed in these clear containers for a nice clean look. Plus, again, it's just easier to see when we are running low and when we need to restock on these items. I also invested in some glass food storage containers for our leftovers. We were previously using these black plastic containers, but it was really hard to find the food that we were looking for, so we ended up with a lot of food waste. Okay, now that I'm all done organizing, let's check out what's inside the fridge and see what it looks like now. For the top shelf, I have our prepared food and easy to grab food and some coconut waters. The second shelf is for fruits and greens, and then I did put our protein shakes because that's just where they fit well. And then for the bottom shelf, I have eggs, yogurt, cheeses, and I will put meats down there when we go to the store and get some meats. And then for the bottom drawer, I just have extra storage for other fruits and vegetables. I am so happy with how my fridge turned out. It is going to be so much more functional for my family. We are not going to have as much food waste, and we have healthy snacks that are ready to go. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I hope it gave you the motivation and inspiration to create the Pinterest fridge of your dreams. Let me know down in the comments if this is a project that you plan to tackle next, or if you've already done so. If you did like this video and found it helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future organization videos. I'll be deep cleaning my kitchen and decorating for fall, so make sure you have that notification bell turned on so you're first to see it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.